Welcome to you all in this online class. Dear student, as you know, today we are going to revise the chapter Media, the Mainstay of Democracy. Okay? I will discuss it by keeping the importance of the examination, test that is going to be conducted in this online class. So,
Sir, today?
today itself, and the topic and the question will be related with my discussion, our discussion that I'm going to discuss just now by the help of these slides. Is it clear? If you listen carefully, you get good marks. So listen. For example, you see media is the plural form of medium. It means there are several ways to communicate many people at a time. So one question can be raised from the side based on the MCQ, multiple choice question. The media is the dash form of medium. Plural, singular, neutral, none of these. This type of question can be asked. Media is the different ways to dash many people at a time. Or it is a way of dash. Options will be transportation, communication, precipitation, none of these. Naturally, the correct answer will be communication. So this type of things must be exercised in your mind. Here, the term is communicate, several ways to communicate. But if their communication will come in different sentence, different type of sentences, you will have to write the correct answer. Democracy is a government of dash representative, selected, elected, nominated, none of these, or all of these. The correct answer will be elected. So in this way, you should be ready to answer the question. Have you understood? Parth is asking me, sir, when test will be done? Have you not listened? I have repeated 2-3 times. Just after the finishing of this revision, when I will complete the revision of this chapter, then just now the test will be organized. Generally, you know, I conduct the test in the last 10 minutes of this online class. So from 10 o'clock for 10 minutes, your test will be conducted from 10 to 10:10. Okay. So now in this way, democracy, a government. It is called the main base or mainstay of democracy because it is very, very important role player in democracy. Now some examples are given of media: radio, television, cinema, books, magazine, internet. This is very common, but uncommon question can be asked. Which one of the following is the example of print media? Options will be radio, television, books, internet. Naturally, the correct answer will be books. So this type of question may be asked. Second is billboard. Select the category of billboards in context with types of media. It is a print media or electronic media. Your answer will be what? Print media. Because here clearly it is given what are the examples of the print media and electronic media. Print media is always remain in written form. Now, billboards, newspaper, periodicals, books, journals, etc. So this type of question may be raised. Computer is a form of dash type of media, electronic media. Okay. Now next is here some pictures are given, images are given that shows the examples of print media and electronic media about which we have already studied. Okay. Next is latest technology and media. Dash is one of the examples of latest technology used in media. Billboards, right? We can see the effect of the new technology in periodicals, TV programs, films, CD, DVD, newspapers, because in modern way all these are printed. Okay. Now next is printing press, Gutenberg. Who was the inventor of printing press? 4-5 names will be written along with Gutenberg. Gutenberg will be the correct answer, right? Who invented paper? Chinese, Indian, Britishers, American.
Sir, Chinese.
Very good.
Chinese.
So this type of
Chinese.
answer can be asked. Okay.
Chiang
Now next is, just now listen, please. Okay. I am going to, some sounds are coming. Later on, I will unmute you all. Okay. Next is what? Some other questions here. Interdependence of technology and media. Okay. Technology developed connectivity. It ended narrow. These are the long question answers. But 1 mark question can be raised from this side also. For example, from any points you can select. For example, you see, media updates us on the dash in technology advances, right? And if you have read the book, if you would have read the book, you would have seen, or you have seen, this is the 1 mark question in fill in the blanks column of your exercise. This line is given. Media updates us on the dash in technology. The advances. It can be turned into MCQ also, multiple choice question. Media updates us on the dash in technology. Options will be advances, declines or degrade, reduce, removal, anything can be given there. Now next is media use digital technology to improve sound quality. Media use digital technology to improve dash quality. तो इसमें तो पिक्चर क्वालिटी, साउंड क्वालिटी कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो जैसा क्वेश्चन होगा वैसा आपको आंसर देना पड़ेगा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज रोल ऑफ मनी इन मीडिया. Money needs for, suppose if in examination long question answer is asked to write, you will write, suppose question, describe the role of money in media. ये तो स्टेट क्वेश्चन हो गया. थोड़ा ट्विस्टेड क्वेश्चन भी you can have to face, you have to face in examination. Which type of question? Role of money in media is unforgettable. Discuss this or justify this line. Money plays very important role in media. Justify this sentence or give the argument in support of the statement. All these questions are saying you will have right or discuss all these 5 points. Okay. I think there is no need to discuss again because 2 days I have discussed the same thing. Now next. Media and democracy. This is also one of your exercise question. What role is played by media and democracy? All these things, right? Media creates awareness in enlightenment, creates public opinion, about different issues, expose scandals, build confidence of public. Print media easily available, so it affects deeply to the people. It brings out the defects of government. Television panels or discussion satisfy the people uh, when they raise their queries. Cinema brings awareness among the people, right? So this type of question can be asked. Here, different news channels, and here I have discussed, should India be balanced or impartial? It is very important. 1 mark question can be asked from this side also. Which type of question? Media should not be, options are balanced, impartial, just, or biased. The correct answer will be biased, right? Because here not it is written. Okay. Now you are requesting me to show from the third slides. Actually, I have already shown this slide, right? This one is here, electronic media, importance of television. 4-5 points are given. Already it is uploaded. Link has already been sent. And today also link will be sent. After that, this one was already discussed. Okay. It is already seen. Let me to complete my work. And now next is RTI, right to information. Okay. Question can be asked, in which year right to information or RTI was passed? Okay. RTI was passed 2005. Right. Next, it brings dash and accountability, transparency. This type of question can be asked. Okay. Here on the very day, have I taught this one now? This was, here you see what is the basic features of the right to information, right? Censorship means to ban the newspaper or print media. Censorship means print media and electronic media both. Censorship means to bring restriction, ban, if government thinks that any publication or channel shows in against the interest of the nation, against the public peace and progress, government can restrict such newspaper to be published. This is called censorship. Such a type of cinema is there also. It is banned. Restrictions is brought. Now, questionable portions are deleted, and after that this can be broadcast or telecast or can be printed. This is called censorship. Now it helps the people to get information. It brings transparency and accountability. It makes the government responsible to the people. If government fails to satisfy the needs of the people, people will not or do not cast the vote in their favor in coming election, and they have to lose in election. They are defeated by the people and they fail to get next chance to come in the government. So media or the right to information makes the government accountable to the people. Have you understood? And these are the which, I mean, I have already said, according to RTI, you have right to get information from any public servants, except some secret matters. The government, in case of demanding the information by you through RTI, have to give answers within 30 days. Otherwise, they will be punished. Whatever the activities, construction work is going on in your area, right? You can ask for its expense, about its material that is going to be used. You have the right to get information, right? Now let me to show it. Now, next I want to show the book of your exercise. Now here you see, paper was invented by whom? Chinese. Right to information has promoted what? Accountability. Just now I have discussed. Information provided by media should not be है क्या है? Biased. Because media should be impartial, balanced, factual, but here it is biased. Biased नहीं होना चाहिए. यहाँ लिखा भी है should not be. So correct answer is biased. Who among the following is not involved in the process of telecasting? Editor. Next, which country did Johannes Gutenberg belong to? Germany. Is it clear? So in this way, first answer is what? Chinese. Second, accountability. Third, biased. Fourth, editor. Fifth, Germany. Now, media has brought what? Just now I have discussed and said advances. Advances to a level where technology is media. Chinese influenced the development of dash, I mean paper, by inventing, Chinese influenced the development of paper by inventing paper. Chinese influenced the development of printing press by inventing paper. Chinese influenced the development of printing. Right, someone has written printing press, it is wrong. Printing by inventing paper. Television affects public perception and opinion. Very good. Opinion. Media should not what? Favor. Should not favor a class or person or an organization. Last one, the right to information has promoted what? Transparency, and accountability is given here. So in this way, first here answer fill in the blanks is what? Advances. Second, printing. Third, opinion. Here media. Fourth, favor. And the right to information has promoted what? Transparency. Is it clear? Now, rest question answers are given in your slide. You have to learn it. First you see, first is true. Now, second also true. Third you read, media is like a watchdog in democracy, true. Fourth, freedom of speech and expression has no limitation, false. Because it has limitation, so it is false. A very big share of Indian media is owned by the political party. No, wrong. Because it is owned by the rich family. So it is wrong. So last two is wrong and rest are true. Rest is true. Rest question answer, you take help of the slides and book. You will write your answer properly. In case of inability or faults, right, I will tell you all these things. Okay. If you have any problem, you can ask. right? I am going to unmute you all, right? Here I am giving you the link for test. So start your test. Have you seen? Through your chat you can tell me. Yes, sir. Very good. Open it and start your test. Okay, fill in the blanks will be repeated. First you do it. First you do it. And before 10:10 you have to submit. Otherwise you will fail to get marks. Not opening. We are asked why not? Everyone has opened. Do not be fast. Select it and paste on Chrome or Google. Right, you will find the page. Select first it and paste it. Open it on Chrome or Firefox, whatever you have in your device. Okay. Ayush Kumar, you have said written. Thank you. Submit it. If you have written, submit. Because you will be informed later on, you cannot see the marks and the correct option also. Just now some person. Now one request from you all. Okay. Open your video option. Turn on your video. Turn on your video. Okay, 7AB. This test is going to be conducted.